Hi everybody, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. And I have a Dollar Tree, tiny little bit from Target haul for you today. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, but I wanted to do a little haul to show you what I picked up. Ugh, my allergies are terrible today. And I also bought a car this morning, so I'm like, oh, I hate that process. But it was necessary, so I took care of all that. So, let's get into the haul. Yes. So, I purchased one more of these. When I see them, I try to grab them. The boys really enjoy scratching on this. It's corrugated cardboard on its side. I have a big one. You can't see it in the corner here that's triangular in shape. It's big, and they love scratching on that. Upstairs, Mr. Alex has decided he's going to tear up my carpet. So, I've covered it with a rug. Sorry, and I put one of these on it and they scratch on this, so I grabbed them one of those because they need that. I found some cute man socks, bacon, eggs, and toast. I could wear these. I won't, but I could. They're man 6 to 12, but I take them to work and put them in my, there's Alex. I take them to work. Hey buddy, hi, say hi to the people. And I put them in the giveaway box for the guys. So we have bacon and eggs and toast and donuts, which I thought were adorable. So I got 2 pair for my little, I call it my basket of life-altering prizes. So they got some socks. I picked up some crisp, what are these, Hawaiian Punch drink mixes. Gotta get your water in. I picked up for a oh, speaking of, that is Wellington scratching on his thing. I picked up one of these glitter bombs signs, but I'm going to be DIYing it and using the back side. Although, on this one, I think I want the front side, so I'm either just going to leave it like this, or I'm going to sand it down and see if I can get it covered in paint. And the different shapes, and they're cute shapes. I mean, the flower would definitely work for spring. You could totally use this side too, but I wanted the bunny for a DIY. And the ears, these ears are going to go with that DIY. I actually went to Target because they're getting sets of these headbands as well with a little different ear. And on the center is some buffalo check that matches my kitchen, but they are not in stock. So for the DIY, I'll use these, but I might switch them out if I find the other ones. So that is that bag. I don't have any really order of operation today. I did find these, however. Now, these are not the ones that turn different colors. These are the ones that are solar. And you take this green thing off, and you pull this out, and you pull that orange tab. Somebody has already done it on this other one. So I got 2. These are going to go in my front window in the bay. But this is what it looks like lit up. You can't really tell, but this one is lit right now. I'll let it burn down. And I think I like it that the green thing actually screws on and it holds the solar piece in. But I'm going to put these in my front window with some plants around it because I love that. I love having the solar lights in my front window for the cats. And when I come home, I picked up one of these size, which I don't even know what it is. 2-quart container. I bought on Amazon some of my keto sugar, and I'm going to store it in this in the fridge because it has a nice screw top. The zip tops are difficult to deal with sometimes. So I thought I'll just, I think it's 3 pounds, so it should fit in here. And it's called Lakanto, L-A-K-A-N-T-O. It's monk fruit sweetener, so it doesn't affect my blood sugars. But I needed a storage vessel for it, so I thought that would be perfect. Like everybody else, I found one of the cacti. This is really hard plastic, and I feel like you could plant something in it, but I will probably, I don't know, it's probably going to go on my mantle or to work. No, I don't know, but it's cute, and it's really hard plastic, but it's adorable. I could use it to hold paintbrushes too. It will go somewhere for spring because I'm really into the cacti and the succulents. So I grabbed that. I found it. I mean, I could totally decorate with it. We'll see. They have these out, which are really nifty. It has some wire wrapped around it. I wanted to paint it, and I could paint this on the inside, and then you would still see the black. Yeah, I have another piece around here somewhere I'll show you. But anyway, these are the little vases, and I could totally do 2 coats of white chalk paint on the interior, and then you would see the black wire. Boys, hey, excuse me, sirs. Come here, Alex. You come say hi to the people and you stop fighting. I don't know what they're doing over there, but they're being a nuisance. I have the project that I am doing. It's going to take these because I got a couple comments on my bathroom sign video if they don't have a printer or the ability to do like hand lettering. So I grabbed these. These are poster board size letters, but they're going to be perfect for my project. To use as the lettering. Maybe. Because I think I only have, nope, there's 2. I was like, I only have 1 E because I'm going to spell Easter, but I have enough. There's 2 E's because I have 1 here and 1 here. So I guess I should just read the dang sign. There's 56 letters, so we're fine. Probably 2 of everybody or close. And then there's like that. So it doesn't really matter what color you get if you want to do this project because I'm just using them as like a reverse stencil. You'll see. So I grabbed that. I grabbed 2 of these, a pack of these that comes with 2 bags. Look at these Easter bunnies. I just love Easter bunny butts. For a reason, actually. I mean, you buy things for a reason, but sometimes I don't. But this is actually, I want to use it to give my niece and nephew their Easter bunnies, the big ones. Because then I can also put their chocolate bunny down in here. And I'm hoping, aha, perfect. Perfect fit for the big plastic bunny that's going to be full of candy. And I'm sorry, some people can't find these. My store just ran out of them. But that'll fit in there perfect in this bag. And then I can stick their chocolate bunny down in there. So I grabbed a 2-pack of those, which will work out to be the perfect vessel to carry the gifts for the kids. So make sure that they get them. Excuse me, boys. They're wrestling. I mean, they're not going to hurt each other, but I'm trying to get them to stop because they're going to make noise. Ooh, this is a heavy one. I purchased, that is a cute little bunny too. 2 of these to use for my sign. And this is not anything I created. I think Measure and Mix did one with these as well. Similar. I've seen them on Pier 1's website. I saw a sign very similar than what I'm going to make. I think on another, I don't know, Pinterest maybe. I'm going to use these eggs to spell a word. So I needed 2 of those to have enough to spell the whole word. So here's the second one. I got some of these, more of these rocks because I'm going to be doing some cuttings of my Christmas cactus. And I need these in the bottom of the terracotta pot. So I grabbed another bag of those. They work out perfect for that. I found these sweet little pots. They don't have a hole in the bottom, so I don't know that I'm going to plant something real in here because it's awfully small to not have a hole in the bottom. But my kitchen's going to be black, white, and yellow this summer, so I got just one of these. I think I'll put maybe a fake succulent or something and set it on my counter. And then I picked up one of these to go with this for my project. It's just an easy little, tiny little thing, and I'm going to put some display out here or something. I'll show you when I do it and after I paint it and all of that. I probably am just going to paint this and not the top and then utilize it. But I thought that was super cute as a little tray, like a display that I can totally use all summer, really. And that was it for that. I think that's it for the Dollar Tree. I didn't really get a lot of stuff. I didn't really need a lot of stuff. I'm trying to dial back my shopping of things I don't need or going to use. you know, so storage containers, things like that. But I also want to have some content for this channel too. So that was it at the Dollar Tree. Now at Target, I went and they had some things marked 50% off and some not. I couldn't figure out the rhyme or reason. And some things that weren't marked were 50% off. I don't know. So I got these succulents. They're going to go in the hanging. And I'm going to show you. I'll do a little video with my spring Easter. I'll do one of what I'm doing with these. But they're going to go into one of the little hanging pots. These two probably together. And then the other one that I purchased. So I bought these. These were 50 cents a piece. Half price. So they were $1. And then I got this for my coffee table. It's navy blue and white. And I want to use it as a runner. My coffee table is pretty long. These are not long enough for my dining room table to use as a runner, but it will work on my coffee table. And I love navy blue. Oh, I love navy blue. So I picked up one of these, not half price. This was $3. And they're still there now. It's part of their, I'm assuming this is part of their spring collection, but I don't know. So I grabbed that. And then I was in there today, and part of this gift that I'm making, I'm loving all the things, and it's for Christmas, but I need to pick up the stuff now because they have it now and they won't have it then. So I grabbed 2 of these little cleaning cloths. It's microfiber, but it works good as a cloth, and they were just $1. I was hoping that stuff was half price, but it's not yet. When it is, and if I see sponges, I'll stock up because I love the sponges, but I have plenty. So I got 2 of these, one for each of the cleaning tubs that I'm putting together, and I will bring you along. I'll bring you along with me when I finally get the Cricut going and decorate it up and show you what it's going to look like, because I think I have all of the, well, no, I want to buy some rubber gloves, so I'll grab those, but I have like some cleaning cloths and sponges, and then I just need to start couponing for cleaning products for each of them. So this is a Christmas gift, and this is for my kitchen. These are the tea towels. They're not big. Putting this on top of the microwave. Right now I have a buffalo check up there, but I want to change it out. So these are $1, and they do still have them. But like I said, I'm doing my kitchen with some lemon theme. This would make a super cute pillow. Like, you'd have to get a white pillow back, but you could totally make this into a little pillow. And what it says is, for brighter whites, add half a cup of lemon juice to the wash cycle. I think that is adorable, but I'm just gonna I'm gonna iron it, fold it, so I'm really just gonna see the goldish color in my kitchen. You won't really be able to read what it says. And these are nice towels. What these are really good for, if you have to, let's say you're grating cauliflower and you want to squeeze out the juice, this is a great tea towel for that. It's lint free, and that's the goal. Lint free. You can polish glasses with this. There's lots of stuff you can do with these tea towels. They're not absorbent, but they also are lint free, which is what makes them ideal. Now for this, I'll just take it upstairs, I'll dampen it, iron it, and put it on top of my microwave with some probably Easter bunnies for spring. And that was $1. Get 2 of them, and I'm telling you, you can make a perfect little like couch pillow or something. I don't know. And then half price again, I grabbed this succulent starter kit. We'll see. I've never really had good luck growing these kits, but it was $2.50. It includes the pot, the seeds, the growing medium, and instructions. And this is plastic, but I love the texture, and I'm going to put this in my kitchen window, which gets the most sunlight, and hope to heck I can. It just says place the growing medium pellets in a bowl of 1.5 cups lukewarm water. Allow water to absorb and fluff with a fork. If desired, put pebbles in the bottom, which I will. I'm having a hard time reading it because it's kind of dark in here. In the bottom of the pot for drainage, put the growing medium into the pot, lightly press seeds into the growing medium, cover pot with plastic wrap, and place in a warm, bright spot avoid direct sunlight. Once seedlings emerge, poke a few holes in the plastic for air circulation. Keep growing medium moist with spray bottle. Remove plastic wrap once seedlings are about the size of a pencil eraser. For more information. Now I read the whole thing to you. We're gonna try this. I'm not sure what window it's gonna go in. Actually, it might go in my craft room. That gets really good sunlight too. So I'm gonna have to figure out, I'm gonna have to cover it with plastic, and yeah, I'll let you know how that works. So that was $2.50 half price. And then also for $2.50 half price, I picked up one of these. Two schools of thought. One, I have little terracotta pots for my seedlings, and I could just totally put this in my front window. However, if I had little tiny coffee mugs, wouldn't that be amazing? Which I don't. I mean, I don't think I have any mugs that'll fit in here. I can see, but I don't think so. But this was regularly $5. They're $2.50 right now. And this is another thing that was not marked. I just took it to see. They had them that said farm fresh. They had white ones. I like just the plain. The little terracotta pots I have will go right in here. I have 6 of them. And then I'm going to put some cuttings in them in my front bay window in a couple weeks when it's warmer out. And it'll be my starters. And I think that'll just be so sweet in that front window. And the cats won't knock it over, hopefully, because they like to lay in that window. And they often knock my plants over because it's their window, apparently. But I'm going to put the starters in here. And then when they're ready, I can gift them to who they're going to. And then put more plants in here. I love plants, if you haven't figured that out yet. And then not in the clearance section, but I'm sorry. This was an absolute must in my life. Plaid, gingham, buffalo. Yeah, this is probably more gingham than buffalo check. Travel coffee cups. What? Do you see this pattern? Is that not the most adorable pattern? It's navy blue and light blue gingham. I'm going to say this is more gingham. And these are 16 ounce cups. I love a good travel cup, especially in the summer when I'm headed out to do something. Oh my gosh, is that not adorable? And these were like $2.79, $3, something like that. I don't use them all the time, but there are occasions when I want to grab a travel cup to go if I'm going to go somewhere and then just be able to throw it away with my coffee. So this will probably last me all summer, but it's going to look adorable on my coffee bar. I know, right? Crazy. All right, so I think that is everything. I hope you have a good day, good night, good week. And come back for my DIY that I'm going to do with these cute little eggs that are, I'm probably going to sand both sides, to be honest with you, because there's glitter everywhere. But I'm going to make a little Easter sign to put up. And I'll keep this little guy because he's cute. And I'll have that. All right, everybody, you have a good one. I'll talk to you later.